When I see the light of your eyes, it's as bright as the sky. It may be a game, but it's not so plain. So let me have a taste, or maybe even a sniff. Yeah! Ooh-wee mama. I know you're ready. So let's rock and roll, baby. Now, should I ask for a piece of that ass? May I say that I'm not gay? Listen now, so I don't have to say it loud. You're not ready for this one. Take your headphones off now. I said take your headphones off, kitten.
I warned you loud and clear.